Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video of WooCommerce Partial COD plugin. So this is Munam from Make Web Better, and today in this demo video I am going to explain you about how partial COD tax wise and how partial COD shipping wise works. And next I will be also explaining you how you can enable partial payment using coupons. So now let's move to WordPress dashboard and click on partial COD. So in the previous demo video, I have explained you about the basic concept of WooCommerce partial COD, and I have also explained you about the general settings, order settings and the product settings, and I have also explained you about the two partial payment methods that were partial COD product wise and partial COD order wise. So in today's demo video, I am going to explain you about how you can enable the partial COD shipping wise and partial COD tax wise simultaneously and how will they work. And I will be also explaining you how you can enable partial payment using coupon. So first we are going to enable these two. So by enabling the tax wise and shipping wise, this means that the admin can deduct the tax amount and the shipping amount as a partial amount for the order that customer will be placing and collect the rest of the amount at the time of delivery. So we have enabled these two and we are going to click on submit. So all the settings have been changed. Now we are going to see on the front end how these settings will reflect on the front end. So we are on the shop page and now let's click on this. So the product has been added to the cart and this is the cart total, this is the subtotal, and this is the shipping cost, and this is the total cost. Now we are going to click on checkout. So we are on the checkout page. These are the billing details and here are the order details. So this is the product and this is the subtotal, and here you can see that this is the partial deposit amount of €20. This is because we have enabled the partial COD shipping wise and partial COD tax wise. So the shipping cost is €20, so that a customer has to pay in the form of partial deposit amount, and here you can see that the customer cannot place an order till he pays the partial deposit amount. So the customer can choose any of the three payment gateways like PayPal, Paytm or the Razorpay. He can select any of them which he wants. So now let's click on any of the option and click on place order. So now here the customer has to fill up the card details. So here the customer has to fill up the card details. So here you can see that the order has been placed after paying the partial paid amount, and this partial paid amount was in the form of shipping cost. The customer has paid the partial paid amount. So the remaining amount he has to pay on the cash on delivery. So we have seen that how this shipping wise and tax wise partial payment method will work. Now we will see how we can enable the partial payment using coupons. So now let's see how we can enable the partial payment using coupon. So from here you can enable this functionality, and by enabling this functionality, this will allow the customers to use coupon codes to pay the partial COD amount at the time of placing the orders for any of the product, and the admin can also set the maximum amount of coupon applied for the partial payment. So let's enter the maximum amount of coupon applied for the partial COD. So all the settings have been done. Let's click on submit. So the settings have been saved. Now let's move to shop page and see how these settings will reflect on the front end. So we are on the shop page. Let's click this. So the belt has been added to the cart, and we are going to click on checkout. So we are on the checkout page, and here are our order details. That is our product, that is of €55. This is the subtotal, and this is the shipping cost of €20, and this is the total of €75, and the partial deposit amount we have to pay is of €20. And here you can see that the partial deposit amount using coupon, this checkbox is appearing because we have enabled the partial payment using coupon. So here the customer can apply for the coupon and pay the partial amount using coupon. So here the customer can apply the coupon, So as you can see that the partial paid amount has been paid as a in the form of coupon, and the rest of the amount, that is euro 55, has to be paid on cash on delivery. So let's click on place order. So the order has been paid and the partial paid amount has been paid with the help of coupon code. So this was all about the demo video of WooCommerce Partial COD plugin, in which I have explained you how shipping wise and how partial COD tax wise will work, and I have also told you how you can enable the partial payment using coupon. So if you haven't watched our part 1 and part 2, in which I have explained you about the premium features and basic concept of partial COD plugin, you can click on these cards to watch the part 1 and part 2 of WooCommerce Partial COD demo video. And if you have any queries on features and functionalities of this plugin, you can put the queries in comment section and we will be glad to help you. Till the next video, thanks for watching and stay connected with us.